Last episode I fixed a few things on the 700 euros Ford Focus, and it actually started driving a lot better. But I also discovered some serious problems. And now I have to drive it 400 kilometers back home, and I'm not sure it's gonna make it. This is a 270,000 kilometers Ford Focus that I bought for 700 euros with a 300 euro repair budget. I already drove it 400 kilometers to the garage, fixed the brake rattle and the starting issue. But now I know what's actually wrong with it. The front suspension needs work and the brakes are basically finished, which means this might go way over the 300 euro budget. I'm back with my 700 euros Ford Focus Mk2 estate. So it's definitely not in excellent condition, but at this mileage the engine pulls very well, and the handling is great, despite the fact that we need to replace the offside shock absorber, and the brakes are way better now that we installed the 6 euro anti-rattle clips. We'll have to replace the brakes anyway soon, but for now it works fine. This is a very twisty road. Surprisingly, it feels really solid. No serious clunking noises, no rattling. Yeah, pulls very well. And the brakes, good. And now it looks great as well. Hope it makes it back home. 400 kilometers, almost 6 hours drive. Do you think this thing will actually make it home or break down? Let me know in the comments. This car is economical as well. When I drove it to the garage, I have done I think 4.9. So if we fix this car under 1,000 euros including the repairs, this will be an excellent car. Economical, good handling, some good spec, and it has a massive boot, so it's very practical. What else do you need? Reliable, practical, economical. RPE. The plans for this one are just to make it good enough so I can use it as a daily, because I have another car, the third one, but I won't talk about it now. Maybe you'll see it later on the channel, but I'll have to decide which one to use it as a daily, this one or the third car that you'll see it later maybe on the channel. Usually I don't like buying cars, fixing them and selling them. I don't like the hassle. Very dodgy people coming to buy cheap cars or even more expensive cars. I don't like the process. But if I have to keep this channel going, I'll have to sell this car maybe. If I manage to fully repair my Mark 1 Ford Focus, I would prefer that car over this one, because that one has an emotional attachment to it. It's the Mark 1 even feels like more, I don't know, like Ford engineers really cared about that car when they made it. so it was a very good car, way ahead of its time. Because when I first drove that car, I was very impressed, even though it's just a diesel engine. The handling is insane, even for an estate. I towed caravans at traffic control for lorries. We're getting close now, and honestly, I'm starting to trust the car a bit more. And we've made it back, no issues whatsoever. Let's go inside and make a part list. But now comes the bad part, because the car still needs front suspension and brakes. And I don't think the €300 budget is going to be enough anymore. Let's look at front shock absorbers first. They might be the most expensive ones. Front. Yeah, €32 a piece. That's not so bad. Buy. The right one as well. Top mounts, €20 a piece, including the bearing. So, now brake discs, brake pads, what do we need next? I think the engine mount. Yeah, this one, €57. It's too much. Okay, drop links, ball joints, and CV boot. So I think we made it under €300. We already spent 6, so it will be about 290. But we're safe. We are under the €300 budget. Next episode we start fixing the most important things. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.